Satin Stitch Applique, or applique, depending which part of the world you come from, is a very old and original way of doing applique on the sewing machine. It's basically a zigzag, which has been, the distance between the zig and the zag has been reduced to almost zero, so that the thread matches exactly or catches exactly its previous thread. As you can see on the example here, you've got none of the background fabric showing through. It seems very straightforward, and it is, but there are a few things that you ought to be aware of when you're using your machine and maybe wanting to use some of the beautiful threads that are now available. And I thought I'd just go through it with you, just to help you avoid the pitfalls, because when things go wrong, sometimes you don't know how to fix it, and hopefully this will help you.